I own Troy's Butchers. It's a family business. We've been trading here in the heart of Moore Street for over 100 years. The shop has won numerous awards for being the best butcher in Dublin over the past few years. Unfortunately, in the last 3 years, the Luas work started there on Dominic Street and Parnell Street, and it's hindered all the businesses in the area. Our own accountant can prove by the figures that we're down 35 to 40%. We've seen recessions before, but it's incredible. We got through the recession, but it's incredible to think a project that was given permission to go ahead that could impact so many businesses. And as you can see, you know, I'm not busy here this morning.
Central Parnell Street. My name is Noel Dunn. I'm the owner here in Parnell Street. We're here now for the last 10 years last November. The impact on business, on footfall number one, the impact is we're down 20% on our customer count week on week, on the same week last year and the year before. And that's reflected in turnover. We're down about the same, about 22, 23% in turnover. We've had water cut off, we've had electricity cut off with no notice. Once or twice a letter came in and said it will be off tomorrow, but more often than not, water's cut off. And you go out to find out when it's going back on, 3, 4, 5 hours, I don't know. I'm selling coffee, I'm selling deli. We're shut down. Once we've no water, we're gone. And that's very, very frustrating.
Recently, we set up a business alliance called the Dublin One Business Alliance, and we've sought legal representation now in regard to pursuing the Luas for their works and the disruption they've caused. The programme initially was set out, I think, as an 18-month programme, and now it's nearly 3.5 years before the actual Luas will be operational. The works are to be completed in June. You know, my concerns are the customers I've lost over the past 3 years have set a new trend and a new habit, you know, and it's very hard to get them back into the street and into your business to shop again. I only took over the business, you know, that's myself and my brother that's been trading over 100 years, you know, and it's very worrying to take it over in the last 6 years or 7 years and then to think that the business could close because of the Luas works, you know. It's incredible that they can get away with doing this, you know.